My camera may die. I hope not. I've got leftover paint and a spinner and some Artist Loft. This is Priscilla in Spring Hill, Florida. I'm planning on picking up whatever I can from my runoff dish. It's a because I can moment, like my book. That's my first book. My second book is Unlimited Possibilities. I'd like this to be fast. Maybe my camera won't die. I saw the battery was warning me it was about to be dead, so I could be talking to air. I definitely want to see what this looks like, even if I can't make a recording. And I hate wasting paint, and it was pretty paint, so it's worth the effort. Although I think I probably could have used a better tool. There's a lot more paint here than I thought there was. A lot. I can't get it all because there's some dried paint on the backdrop. My catch pan, whatever you want to call it. I would have used a bigger canvas if I had realized. Especially want that deep amethyst I see there. Come to me, paint. Okay, that's about all I can get off of that. And I don't know if the centrifuge will make a darn bit of difference with the Artist Loft paint, but I figure it's worth a shot. Well, maybe it'll be a background for something tomorrow. It's not very impressive. But, that being said, I can take my spatula. It's time to mix up another batch of paint. I can't use the purple. I've got some cerulean blue cell activator. It's very loose. Oh, it's too loose. Matter of fact, it ran right off my spatula. I've got some PVO. That's kind of pretty. It's delicate for sure. I'll just clean up my edges. Or fill them in rather, which is pretty much the same difference at this point. If I had any of the ginger flower Primary Elements cell activator that I made up left, I would have used it. But that's kind of cool. It's definitely pretty. And I don't think there's any time for me to do anything fancy, so we're going to call it good. Probably throw it on one of my different channels. We'll do a quick hit and run with the torch. Oh, that's cool. It brought out some cells. So no big shakes, but no little shakes either. Kind of cool. I can't say that it's not messy, because it is. If If I've got any spots to fill in, I've got plenty of paint to do it too. Let's put this someplace where you have a chance to see it. Well, if I do that, I'm going to make a bigger mess. Okay, bigger mess it is. I'll just get rid of this entirely. So please give me a thumbs up if you like my experiments. I really appreciate that. And your comments keep my morale boosted. If you're looking for more videos, I have 2,500 organized by topic and genre on playlists, and you can find them yourself by going to all playlists, created playlists on my channel, or you can ask me for a link. I'm happy to have you do so. I have them organized so that I can find them, and that makes it easy for me to find them for you too. So I have a link tree, I think I mentioned, maybe I didn't. And that's where my Amazon link can be found. If you shop there, it's at no added cost to you and it helps me out. I am an affiliate of Colourarte, and there should be a 20% off coupon code for Colourarte products below the video if I remember. This is pretty simple, but it's also kind of beautiful. It's really kind of soft, and I'm nowhere near the center for some reason. Let's try that. Wow, my camera didn't die, but it might any second, so I want to tell you guys I love you. I hope you come again. I post at 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I sell my artwork. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. If you share my artwork, if you share my videos, it helps me out. Your thumbs up help me out. I'm tongue-tied. My community board is a great place to see tomorrow's video coming up tomorrow. Yeah, I'm a little lost. Please ask me questions if you'd like to, and I will see you guys anon. That red flashing light for the battery about to die is really distracting. So if you have questions, please ask. I think I said that. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.